Where is it? Where are my headphones? Oh, I got my headphones. Let's turn on the bot which captures all the things which I do in my live stream. 1 second. Should be somewhere here. Bot main done. Okay, bot is up probably. I will start working. So let's try fixing this thing. Hmm, AirPlay, uh, past iPad. Oh, thanks for the like. I forgot to turn on the filters thing. I will soon wait. Okay, I cast iPad to window. Last time I checked, there should be an app which supports this. I hope it's not. Oh, prior by. Saide Jagod, Mr. Gul has left a like on Instagram. Hey, thanks for the like, Saide Jagod. I know you don't think there needs to be a way that I'm currently live streaming so that people who like my Instagram can know about this. Using iCloud, no, there's no app or what? Microsoft Store, a screen mirror receiver. Okay, going to this. I hope that's free. Yeah, looks like it's free. Uh, not this one. Store, Microsoft Store, and what is the thing? It's called as Air. I I don't know if it costs any money or it's free. Preparing to download. Let's see. I'm installing this so that I can use my iPad in my stream. Oh, let's open. Okay, low battery, it's fine. It was 4% before, so now what? Fast. Screen mirroring, no. On the PC, I saw this. Is it working? Looks like it's working. This is fine actually. And this is fine. Let's see. Good notes? No. There should be something. There should be. Reform. Yeah, this is what I was using before. Has left a like on Instagram. Thank you for the like, bro. Subash. We got this app now, so that means it's kind of working. So I'm not going to worry about it till certain times. This is awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, so this is working. I'm not going to worry about it. So let's try building this. full screen. That's it. There is no other option. Okay. So this was the layout. This was basically for, oh, is this is for YouTube viewer, what should I call it? Stats. This is the map for that. So let's draw something else now. Let's work on the part which should be called as this. Okay. So every user will just respect, and like face, this is one command. Screen, this is one command. I need to have I need I need a dynamic way so that I can do these things in a a better and easier way. It should be something like this. Hmm. My Golang application doesn't go server. There is this, and there is streamer bot, which I use. The streamer bot is what I use to control my OBS. So I need to have a loosely connected way which can communicate these actions to these. So current problems. As of now, everything is hard coded. So there are like an if condition where if the comment starts with put or respect, it would show my face. Uh, Back to gaming. See? I need a way to loosely connect these to my Golang server. So it would pick a random thing from this and it would assign those it should assign those values to my streamer bot. So let's say I have respect in here. I'm not going to use this word again so that my voice command won't trigger the action. So let's call it as this. And then there is, let's say, exclamation face. So I'll create these actions. All right. So Golang will receive this action, which starts with exclamation screen. It needs to find a way, or else I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. So when I type screen, so this string will be taken and it's going to get a HTTP post request. What should that do? It's going to get all the actions from streamer bot and it's going to match. Mm, it needs to, it basically need to match it. So let's say streamer bot got the action and this should be converting into something else. I wish I have the stand. I think I have it once. So this is how it looks as of now. Hmm. I don't know why it says unregistered, but that's fine. So streamer bot. So issues with this approach is I need to make a post request for every single comment. I can fix this, but I'm not really worried about it as of now because I'm running things in local, so I don't really have to rate limit few things. So I'm going to keep it as it is. So that's fine. So for each command of this such case, it's going to find it. It needs to match the exact same string. Once that is matched, it's going to trigger that action. And how can I set the points now? So let's say for screen, I need to deduct, let's say 100. As of now, let's not worry about this, the points, but let's just think about this way. So we have, let's say, screen, right? Screen is going to make a HTTP post request from the server, and it's going to get all the actions. From the available actions, it's going to get this, it's going to find the screen, and it's going to call the action using the streamer bot HTTP server, which is fine. Then what next? How can I handle the points? So let's say the screen command cost 50 points. So obviously I need to assign these points in a dynamic way so that that won't really change. I don't really want to hard code these points inside the Golang server so that I have to manually change it every time. Not really. So the other option is to have a dashboard actually. I think it's really a high time to maintain a dashboard for my server where it would basically maintain all these things. That's actually a lot helpful. I can just update it things. Hmm. So the long approach, or let's say a long form approach for this is going to be a dashboard. So build a dashboard which will use a database, and also I can update all the information I needed. That's one thing. But the problem is, does it have is streamer bot going to have same IDs all the time for each action, or it's going to change if I restart my computer? I'm not sure. So let's ignore that section first. For some reason, I'm feeling thirsty today. Okay. So I'm thinking, but dashboard would take a lot of time, at least 3 days to have a working functionality, etc. Even that's build, it's going to take a lot of time. So, do I really need the action type? Let's see. Uh, is this stream or bot HTTP post? So this is the server. Do action. So this allows you to execute, and it returns no data, only a 204 node content response. It is a post method and requires the following data: action and name and key. What is this key? Can I fetch the names? All I receive is ID and the name. I wish I can assign something. You can retrieve the credit data via the request. Hmm. Uh, so let's say I assign some things, some points. I think it's high time to develop a dashboard for this. Why do I need a dashboard? So these are the use cases. I can change or modify the points which I assign for each command. Let's say for screen command there are 50 initially, then I can change it to 100. Same goes with the speak command, etc., etc., etc. I can do a lot of things dynamically. I don't really have to update the code every time. So that's one good case, but is it required? I mean, is it really worth it to develop this now? Like spending this much time on this? That's the question. So let's try to first develop the previous approach which I had, which is this. For each command, it's going to get the okay. Let's say if a user typed screen, it's going to take the screen and it's going to make a post request to my streamer bot, and it receives all the commands list, and out of them obviously there should be one with screen. If it finds it, it's going to execute it. That's what it's going to do, and that's what I'm going to do as well as of now. What I'm trying to do is I don't want to do it. I don't really think it's a good option to do a frequent post requests. I'm only doing it when I am putting these exclamation. So let's see. So yeah, for the first optimization is, so let's talk about optimizations. Let's talk about optimizations. First, trigger the speak command first, because once this is done, ignore all other. ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎందుకు పోయాం ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎందుకు పోయి మన గురిలో అది నిజమేలే సో మాట్లాడచ్చు కానీ వేరే వాళ్ళు వస్తారు వాళ్ళు కొంచెం 5 minutes నుంచి చూస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా అందుకని బట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వాళ్ళు కూడా వస్తుంటారు బ్రో ఎనీవేస్ ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే నాది స్ట్రీమర్ బాట్ ఉంది కదా దానికి నిన్న పోయిన స్ట్రీమ్లో 24 points పోయిన స్ట్రీమ్లో చాలా మంది అడిగారు ఏమని అంటే ఇట్లా మాకు కొన్ని కమాండ్స్ అసైన్ చెయ్యు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది నేను పలకను పలికితే ఆ వాయిస్ ట్రిగర్ అవుద్ది సో ఇది ఒకటి ఫేస్ ఒకటి స్క్రీన్ ఒకటి స్పీక్ కమాండ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది సో ఇవి వాళ్ళు కమెంట్స్ త్రూ యాక్సెస్ చేయగలగాలి అని వాళ్ళు అడిగారు చాలా ఈజీ చేయొచ్చు కానీ నేను ఎట్లా చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా అంటే 2 ways నైస్ సో ఊరికే కోడ్ చేంజ్ చేయడం నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు అంటే నేను చిన్న చిన్న వాటి కోసం గోలాంగ్ ఓపెన్ చేసి దాంట్లో ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ రాసి ఇఫ్ ఇట్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ ఎక్స్క్లమేషన్ నైస్ అనగానే నైస్ ట్రిగర్ చేయి అట్లా అట్లా రాసుకుంటూ పోతే 50 ఇది అట్లా కాకుండా ఏంటంటే నా అన్ని యాక్షన్స్ నేను స్ట్రీమర్ బాట్ అనే అప్లికేషన్ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నా స్ట్రీమ్ బాట్ సో నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఎప్పటి నుంచో వాడుతున్నా దీంట్లో అన్ని యాక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి సో ఎవ్రీ టైం ఎవరన్నా ఏదైనా మెసేజ్ చేసారు అనుకో లైక్ ఎక్స్క్లమేషన్ స్క్రీన్ అని పెడితే ఇది ఈ అప్లికేషన్కి ఒక పోస్ట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ కాల్ చేసి దాని నుంచి అన్ని యాక్షన్స్ తీసుకుంటుంది ఆబ్వియస్లీ దాంట్లో స్క్రీన్ ఉంటుంది ఉంటుంది లేకపోతే లేదు ఒకవేళ ఉందనుకో ఆ స్క్రీన్ని ట్రిగర్ చేస్తుంది ఇది ఒకసారి డెవలప్ చేస్తే ఇంకా అవసరం లేదు నేను స్టీమర్ బాట్లో అసైన్ చేస్తుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా పని చేస్తుంటాయి ఫైన్ కానీ ప్రతి మెసేజ్కి పోస్ట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తుండాలి I don't think that would be a problem because streamer bot is configuration JS should also be the problem is this. The longer problem is I develop on Windows. So let's say if I make modifications to my config.json file, I need to deploy this entire application in my Linux. And that is not 64-bit or 86-bit, it's going to be ARM 32-bit version v7. So whenever for Golang applications, let's say you're using a config.json file. If you're using this in one particular Golang build file, you have to build the entire thing again for Linux. So it doesn't matter if you change anything in JSON, you need to build the entire application. It's fine. There are some advantages for that, but I don't really want to build each time I make a change. So yeah, this one solution is for each command make a post request, deal with it, it works fine. And the other solution, What if you get a that's what the post request is. It's not really a post request. It's a get request to get all the actions and a post request to trigger an action. So post request is mandatory, but do I need currently I'm only doing one post request when I start the server. After that, it's not going to make any get request. Sorry, it's going to get once the server is up. It's going to get all the actions which are available, and based on each one of your comment, it's going to make a post request for that action. It goes on until I restart the server. Doesn't matter how many streams I do. So it is optimized in that way, but in order for me to make any change or any modifications, I need to restart the server. Works fine until some things as this occurs. I thought my this one is powered off, but looks like it's working. Yeah, it's working. So a longer version might pay me off in few months. A longer version is develop a dashboard. Why to develop a dashboard is I need to assign some points for each command. So let's say there is a command XYZ. I need to assign 100 points for it so that there won't be enough spam. But StreamerBot doesn't really have a functionality to assign those points. So if I need to assign those points, again, I need to go to the code and do it. So that's why I thought it's better to have a dashboard. I felt like there is a lot of need for it. So using this dashboard, I don't really have to do a get request for each comment. I'm going to assign a action in StreamerBot and I'm going to get the name and the ID of it. I'm going to just place it inside the dashboard, which is going to save it, all those information in the database. I can change it anytime I want. I don't really have to reach to the server as well. And I can assign the points right away inside my application so that whenever someone triggers screen, it's going to deduct 50 points. I'm just giving an example. But dashboard takes a lot of time. I can build it fast, but still it takes some time. Probably 3 days or basically 3 streams. If there is no other discussions being made while I'm live streaming, no other gaming or anything, I can't really promise it. So yeah, there is dashboard. So that's the only reason I'm not trying to do this as of now. So I will stick to this and see how much of a performance cost I'm going to get. నా వల్ల ఏ ప్రాబ్లం అయితే వెళ్ళిపోతామో అర్థం కావట్లేదా లేదా బోర్ కొడుతుందా కొంచెం దాహం అవుతుంది తెలుగులో చెప్పాలా కొన్ని సో ఏం లేదు బ్రో మూడు దారులు ఉన్నాయి ఒకటి ఒక గెట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ప్రతి కమెంట్ కి కొడతా బో అన్ని యాక్షన్స్ తీసుకో నో బ్రో యూ సెడ్ ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఆర్ నో డిస్ట్రాక్షన్స్ ఇన్ స్ట్రీమ్ కదా అట్లా నో distractions means yesterday I was meant to finish a project, a small notification project, but there were other interesting discussions. So I subconsciously, without even my focus, I was talking about some other things without working on my project. So that the reason I'm telling you this is, let's say I assign 3 days. There are high chances I cannot really finish it in 3 days because of this. If I really want to finish it in 3 days, I should not be streaming. I need to focus on the project and finish it until it's done. But the problem is I'm building all this just to stream. So if I don't really stream it, then the purpose is not there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick to the brute force approach, get all the actions and make a post request. I don't think that's that complicated. My computer is fine. It's going to handle a lot of get request anyways. So I'm not worried about it. And I'm not using Python or JavaScript, which can be slow in these. I'm using Golang. It's fast enough. So yeah, now what I need to do, I need to open the alerts repository, take each, assign few points, and yeah, handle it. Let's go to the code, see what reacts. I'm going to put this pencil on a charge so that it won't die when I'm live streaming. Yep, it's charging. Getting my keyboard back. Hey, let's go. Okay, let's start some programming now. Let's see, coding stream assistant alerts. Perfect. Okay, close. So what happens now is, what am I doing here? Okay, that's fine. Okay, I don't really need this terminal as of now. I don't really, let's close everything and main.go. So this is the first, and for every comment there needs to be take messages. Where is the take messages? Yep, take messages. It's going to push each message to a queue. I'm processing each message one by one, and for each message, this is what happens. So after the speak command, where is the speak command? Should be somewhere here. Yeah, after the speak command, I am going to do this. If uh, string dot prefix, it has prefix message dot content, let's say exclamation. If it has it, after this is done, after the speak command, I don't really want to do this, so let's set these. What is the condition for this? Oh, else needs to be in the above line. So else if it starts with this, then obviously get the next string out of it. Until the next space, I think that's fine. So let's say screen. So if I type screen, C-E, and I type any garbage, that's not what it needs to take. So let's find this. Command name. It's going to strings.split. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. And it needs to split. For the first space, it's going to take, what is it going to take 0 or 1? Is it going to be an array? I don't know. String.split, it returns, oh, splits into, so I'm going to take the first. Okay, done. So let's again command name equal to, yeah, string.lowercase. Oh, no. Command name length. Let's take the first part of the text and then temp variable. Let's save it as temp. So what, until here we are going to get this. So until here we have like screen and something, and until here we have screen. Okay, and I need to replace this. So final command name equals to strings dot replace. There is a replace command. Okay, returns a copy of the string s with the first. Okay, split. Whoa, they're going the way. I don't know why that command got triggered. Okay, let's focus on this. So I need to ignore this exclamation. So I'm going to use a split after. What is split after? Split after slices s into substrings after each instance of. Oh no, I just do. So split command like temp comma should be exclamation. Oh, I already have the first name, and then just is, I think we can name it as temp, and then get the temp. We can already assign some temp, I guess. I don't need these. The final command needs to be temp ignore split of 0. Okay. So fmd command name is this. Let's see if this is working fine, not in the first place. Go run main.go postman. Yeah, approve. Is my postman up, bro? Postman, come on. You're taking a lot of time. So what I'm going to do, 3000. Okay, post 3000. Take messages. Is there anything which has take messages? Looks like no, I don't really have it. Okay. Okay, let's say take messages. Done. Post message received successfully. We can ignore that. That's not going to be counted, I guess. So what happens is, instead of this, I need to send a message content which starts with, let's say, send. Okay, command name. Command not found. Command not found. What are these? Details command handler. Oh, these are these. Oh, I can keep this, so that's fine. Command not found. I don't think I need the else condition anymore, so I'm not going to use it. Ignoring it. I thought I would be getting those, but looks like I'm not working. If it starts with these, ignore it. If not, it needs to set these. fmp.println else fmp.println no command found. Okay. No, the text doesn't start with exclamation. That means we can clearly see what's happening. Restarting the server. See, server turned on. Okie dokie. Pressing save. Okay. The command name doesn't really, it's not really getting anything. So let's fpt.println temp, let's see what temp is getting, so that we can understand what the split function actually does. See, I don't think I need these many messages. I'm going to remove some of them. That's fine. That's only going to be one message now. Send. So temp itself has respect. So from temp, split these. Oh, I need to take the second part of the text, not the first part. I'm so sorry. Yeah, let's try. Let's first print these. I am not sure what exactly I'm going to get anyways. So print ln. Yeah, let's see. The split. I don't know if it can directly concatenate strings. No idea. Let's try it. So I'm sending a message. We can see it's. Oh yeah. So it's getting it after the split. Yeah, these are the empty. So I perfectly got the command name now. Let's see. I think it should be an easier way. I'm going to ask them. How can I create a temp variables in Golang. Uh, so this is the only way I can create them. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now I got the first name. So let's try these. So first it's going to split between X and the first space, and then it's going to get the first, I mean the final command name. It's going to make a post request now. So what? Uh, Streamer bot, yep, get actions list. This is the one I'm supposed to give. And then these actions. I don't think I just need face actions, I need a lot of actions. Does it have a screen? OBS, OT. See, let's see. Oh, that's enough. Oh, Team PMD Sky, Ice, Frog, Hulk, Iron Man, Likes, OBS, OPT, Replay, Restart. Okay, I have all of them perfectly fine, but in order to save some time, I'm going to do this. So all the lists in CSP, this mirrors the WebSocket. Okay. The question is, how can I only get a certain things instead of getting all things? I think it's fine. Let's just get it. So get actions list. So when I trigger this function, it's going to update it. It's going to update it. Temp, so this is the face actions. I think it can be renamed to all actions instead of face action. So I'm perfectly here, which I got the final name. Then I'm going to use utils dot get actions list. Once that's done, I'm going to get all the actions by now, and then what else? Inside each action, let's say utils dot face actions. Is there a thing like that? No. Do action. So it needs to have an action into this. Oh, get action. What is get action? If I give a name, it's going to see if it has it or not. Return output. Yeah, let's try these. Let's try these. Let's try these. Shrimpy.println action for the command. Okay, let's see. May not go. See, server is up. Saying send. It should. Yeah, ignore all these. So it's basically getting the actions and the command. There should be something. How about let's remove the trims maybe. Maybe that's causing the issue. I think we can clearly ignore the gaps. Well, there is a gap here anyways, so I don't think that's the problem. There is a name for this. Then why is it not working? So action name equals to name. fmd.println name equals to name. Each action, it's going to do that. I don't know what is the best way to modify it. Should I maintain an XML file? If I pull that, it's going to affect the other things. Even if it has, if even if it had to do a lot of file reading and writing, that should still be fine. Hmm. Let's start with this. It says, I mean, then there is a name right here. There is a name right here, but why doesn't it? Why wasn't it trying to find it? So these are all face actions. Oh, maybe I'm trying to. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, this is not possible. Okay, instead of face actions, I'll be calling all actions. You should also have something like this, all actions, and if it's a group, that's fine, or else we can just all actions append the action. Now, instead of searching it between the face action, I'll be searching it from get action list. No, instead of hmm, should I search it from action or? I think it doesn't really matter. We can do all actions here. Okay, that should work fine now. Let's see. Murlidhar, namaste. Namaste, Murli, namaste. Pressing save. So action for the command name. Okay, I got the action as well as the ID. I am not new. I know. మురళి అది నా బాట్ దానికి తెలియదు నువ్వు నుంచే చూస్తున్నావని హే నీకు 10 పాయింట్స్ వచ్చినాయి అప్పుడే బ్యాక్ టు గేమింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఎనీవే నా స్ట్రీమ్కి వచ్చినందుకు నీకు ఇజ్జత్ ఇస్తా రెస్పెక్ట్ రెస్పెక్ట్ చిన్న చేసి చిన్న చేస్తాలే ఇప్పుడు షో మై ఫేస్ ఓ బ్యాక్ టు గేమింగ్ అప్పుడు నేను కూడా మర్చిపోతున్నా యా నేనే అది ఇందాక మనతో మాట్లాడదామని చెప్పి పెద్ద చేసిన మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు చిన్న చేస్తాను okay after the action now I got the action as well as this okay do action this is the output so by using this action I can trigger it బాగుందా ఇజ్జత్ ఇచ్చిన నీకు where is it here so now I got the action now what I'm going to do is this is the action and it's going to do this and util action do actions so it should be straightforward. Let's see if it's working fine or not. Final check, boy. Final check. Yes, allow. Let's see. Send. It's working. Back to gaming. Okay. Let's try assigning some points now. One sec. Streaming. Okay, this is the streamer bot. No, just open the existing one. Close it. So what needs to be done here? Face. Let's call this as message events. something like that. Oh no, group, set a group. Yeah. Oh, I can type here. Okay. Respect, it's going to say actions. Let's call it as actions. So inside actions, let's now talk. Copy, duplicate. So let's name it as screen. What it's going to do is going to show my screen. So wherever I'm in, I'm going to just show my face. I don't have face. I thought I have face. I mean, these are the faces. What do I have in my voice command? No, it's going to run this command. Okay. Nope, that's not what I want. Hmm. So yeah, let's see. Let's set the scene, active scene to face. So instead of all these, so the screen needs to set it to game. That's perfectly fine. And the rest of the things are not needed. So delete. Okay, it's going to set the screen to, what do I have now? Okay, screen. Then let's add one more. Add and no, let's duplicate this. Oh no. Close. Let's duplicate this and let's name it as show select face, something like that. Okay, and it's going to set the face something this. Where is it? Face. Okay, yeah. Now I need to just make some noise when this happens, so that's what I'm trying to do. Four, play some sound. Where is it? Sounds, play sound. Volume. I don't really need a large volume for this. Application, fine. Source file. Oh, I don't really have it. But live. Where is that oof sound? I don't have that oof sound, bro. Live. I thought I have it. So let's see it in my voice. Maybe I have it in this one. Oh, live start knife slice. Okay, let's copy that first. So live. Is there a start? Yeah. No. Let's copy that audio file. Live start knife sound. Copying and pasting it in my live. So knife slice. So let's play this sound whenever that happens. Oh, too loud, too loud, too loud. Perfectly fine. So I also need to copy paste this to my screen. So for, where is it? Sounds. Okay, play sound. Let's set it to 20%. Play the knife sound. It's going to be fine. So face is done. That thing is done. Screen is done. What else? I can assign things dynamically now, so I don't really have to worry about it. I think that's done. Let's make a final test. Starts with screen. It's working exponentially fine. See guys, it's working. It's working. So the moment I send a message, instead of screen, I send face. So don't I have anything with face? I have added something with space. I'm sure about it. The streamer mode is turned off for some reason. Okay, this needs to turn on. Okay, that's it. Do not crash the application. Keep retrying. This is up. If there is a error, how can I? Ah, it's fine. I don't think that would be a big issue in prod. So looks like it worked. Did it work? Okay, that's working. Space. It's working fine. Everything is working fine. It's awesome. So what else I need to do? So I can dynamically set these points now. So let's deploy this application to the prod. So what are the changes? Um, I'm not really using this anymore. Am I? No, I'm not really using this, so I'm going to ignore this. Oh yeah, let's keep it. Let's keep it. It can be fine. So I'm going to remove all these. So streamer board just added these. It's fine. I don't think I need a name out of this. Ignore. So if I type something which doesn't exist, what happens? I forgot to turn this on. Okay, if I send something which doesn't exist, I hope that won't crash the application. Awesome, it didn't really crash. Perfectly fine. Okay, now I'm committing this. What else? I don't need this. Command name, I don't need this. I don't really need any condition, unnecessary logs. What I've changed here? So yeah, this can stay as it is. It's fine. Now let's build this application. CMD, let's go to the alert section. Where is the README file? These are the things I need. Where is the terminal? Where is the terminal? Yep. It's going to generate a build. I think that is ready. Adding this. Okay. Uh, Dynamic. Where is it going to get points? In order for me to start the points first, I need to make a copy of whatever the points we have existing to it and call it as comments instead of points. Dynamic uh, dynamic link of the actions. Screen space. Okay. Commit. These are the changes. What is this? Oh, I should have committed these. Undo commit. Yeah, let's just commit this as well. It's fine. Commit. Synchronize changes. Perfectly fine. And now what else? I'm going to, once that is pushed, I'm going to open my Raspberry Pi terminal. Nope, not this. This one. Then I'm going to say this. Login. Okay, ls cd stream assistant ls and then cd alerts. Oh no, I forgot. I need to get stash clear, and then what else I need to do? Git pull, get all the latest code which I just did, and once I receive that code, I can just proceed. Hello, is my mic working? I don't really see my mic. Back to gaming. Oh, I was streaming on my face all this time. So let's just to finalize some things. I am not sure if I see my mic when I'm doing this. Yeah, it's perfectly fine. It's working. Okay. Okay, CD alerts, ls, and sudo gmod plus x alerts. I'm making this as an executable. Ls, yep, that's perfectly fine. Then I wish I can just restart it. Sudo, come on, sudo systemctl restart alerts.service. I hope it did. I hope it did. I really hope it did. So when the server is restarted, let's just refresh all the web applications. Okay, this is the final test now. So let's see. Please, it's perfectly working fine. Now, let's say speak hello. Something went wrong. Oh, I'm just using this face again. Okay. Okay, that's more like it. So now users can control what they are going to see. Yeah, I crossed 160, 150 points. Okay, now let's build some actions. So when users say what actions do they want to see, what actions, what actions, I can ask users when they are actually active on my stream. So I'm going to ignore this, ignore this, ignore this, ignore this. I want to see how I actually sound. I had an issue previous streams. I just wanted to see how my microphone is actually sounding today. I just wanted to see how my microphone is sounding today. It's it's working awesome. Not really afraid of. I'm not really worried about my mic anymore. In my previous streams, the audio was really bad for some reason. Okay, this is fine. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. I not really needed this anymore. Done. Okay, what should I do now? Programming is completed. Should I write a blog? Oh yeah, I can still work on the other things. So let's see. Coding blog. Let's do some styling for this website. npm start. Run it, please. Chromium. I need a browser which is really dump. DuckDuckGo browser. Let's install it. Let's install this. I heard this is really a dumb browser. Is it? Did I press install? Let's see. Let's wait for it until it finishes. Getting system installation of this once while that is being done. It's 11%. So in the previous changes, I recall scripts in the YouTube. These are, I think this has all the old viewers, new viewers. So basically, I need to assign some proper styling. So user list. So user card. That's the primer thing which needs some work. Shows in the Firefox. Let's save up some RAM. I don't really need this. What else? I don't think I need this. Cool. Hey, welcome, Pranav Dev. You seem new to the channel. You really seem new to the channel. So, cool ideas. My current project is itself is a cool idea. It's actually working. You can test it if you want to. Are you really new? My bot says you're new. My Yeah, I'm new. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Show my face. Welcome to the stream. This is Blazing Bane. I normally do some gaming, coding, as well as some Gyan therapy. So cool projects are the projects which helps you in in your day-to-day life. The current project which I'm working on, the stream, not this project. I just pushed the code for that project. So if you joined 5 minutes ago, I would have shown you the project on my code. If you have 5 minutes, I'm going to show you my project so that you would know what I'm currently working on. It's a live service, so it's in production, but still I add day-to-day features to it based on my viewers' requests. So any project which I consider as cool is it helps a lot of people. It tries to invent some new things, or it helps individual. So my project helps me. My live stream, it helps me to manage my live stream. It helps users to interact with my stream. So I find it cool. I have all the time in the world. Okay, so where should I start first? Uh, let's say if you like my stream, I'm not begging for likes. You can remove the like if you don't really like my stream. So if you like it, something, do it. I'm waiting for you to stream. You know that double tap thing, the like button. I promise you can remove the like. I am not really asking for you to like my stream, but if you do it, something is going. It shouldn't be that hard to like a stream. There should be. Thanks for the like. So now, if you dislike my stream, so just dislike my stream now. I think you are having some delay. I request you to like forward the stream so that you can actually watch it live. I'm not really uploading much internet. It should be what. So this is what happens if someone likes or dislikes. So as you have disliked my stream, so YouTube will think I'm doing some bad things. So I request you to either remove the dislike or just, if you like my stream. So this is one part of my project, and there is other part is Relangi Mama, the guy which welcomed you. He's my bot. He is the one who handles all these likes, counters, and everything. And you can see the name Pranav. Thanks for the like. If you're still here, so that's the other thing which I have, the speak command. So if you type exclamation speak and thanks for the like, thanks for the like, thanks for the like. So yeah, so in you need to type am I uh, am I getting really these many likes, or is there a bug in But anyways, so explaining some things to Pranav. So Pranav, if you want to see the full list of commands, oh, I reached 5 likes. Okay, okay. Probably four. YouTube will show it to you as five, but I only reached four. If I reached five, my bot. I am explaining things to you, and someone dared enough to dislike my stream. Thanks for the Thanks for the giving my like back. You are only seeing 2 likes. So YouTube does some weird things. As a streamer, I get to see what number of likes I truly have. But if you refresh, you will see the true number of likes. I already reached 3 likes. So with you and Iconic, it's going to be five. So again, the likes is just 10% in my project. So, oh, okay. So a friend of mine is here. He is the one who's removing the likes and dislikes. Okay. So the other section is the speak command, which Iconic just used. The speak command is only used by my old viewers, the who used to watch my streams while I'm doing some gaming. When I used to game, I don't really look at the chat. So that's why I created the speak command. If you want to use it, just type exclamation speak without any space. After speak, just give some space and type anything in English, emojis, doesn't matter. It's going to just read it out loud. It was helpful, and so that's one thing. Respect. So there are other things which you can control in my stream. So you can control what appears on my face. If you type put Iron Man is going to come up on my face. If you put Thanos, if you put Ice, if you put Frog, Iron Man, Joker, there are few things. These were used by a certain section of my stream viewers. Not everyone is a fan of them. So you need to use put. So just type put Iron Man. It's going to work. Trick. So not many are fan of these filters. Some really loved it, some really hated it. So I don't really advertise them much. So if you like them, just keep using it. If you don't like them, ignore it. Totally fine. And there are a lot other commands. Personally, I don't really remember myself. So I'm going to just go to my website and see chat commands. So yeah, these I think I am done with these. I'm done with the speak command, like and dislike. I'm done with those and the generics. So Railangi Mama keeps a track of how many messages you have sent in my stream and assigns some points based on that. So if you want to know your points, just type exclamation points, the reverse I points, and my bot is going to tell you how many points do you have right now. Currently, there is no use of points yet. So the reason you see the $10 thing, it's for this stream. So when you say points, Railangi Mama is going to tell you all the points you have for all the streams. And the points you see in here, the red text, it's for this stream. So there are basically the same points, but there are difference. So that's one thing. And currently, I don't really, I haven't linked anything to the points yet. I thought if there are a lot of viewers and people are going to ultimately spam using like speak command, the respect buttons, and everything, that's when the points are going to kick in. Until then, it's going to remain like everything is free as of now. And the other thing, which is I'm currently like still building this, I'm not completely done yet, is this website. So this is my primary website, Blazing Bane. It's done, but this new YouTube section, it's still in progress. It's live. You can visit it, but it's still in progress. So you can see Pranav Dev. You are the like the new viewers section. This Buffalo is also new. So if you click on any user, you can see what is the last comment he made and what is the first stream which he joined and what is the last stream. In the same way, you can see some other people. How can I contribute to the front-end project, sir? To my project or some other front-end projects? Oh, from my project, I'm well. I'm glad you want to help. Thank you so much. So I'm not using any React or Angular. I already got bored of them. At my work, I use React, Angular, and a little bit of Svelte, but ignore it. I'm using Hugo. Why? I used to use like single page applications and WordPress before, or server side rendered pages. I need to buy a hosting or just host it in my streaming PC. That was waste of resources. So that's why I Satyam, welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream. Oh, I forgot to show my screen. So again, this is one more thing. You can switch my screens. Satyam, it's live. The thing you asked yesterday, just type exclamator. Thanks for the like. Okay, when that animation comes, it's going to reset the filters, just like I said. Some people hated it, so any event happens, it's going to remove the filter. But if you want to reapply it, then just say the same thing. Papi, mali put Iron Man and betu panjastadi. So Satyam, as you can see, I'm showing my face, but if you want to see the screen, if you want to minimize my face and increase the screen, just type exclamation screen. Do it. Papi, I think you have reached the limit, bro. Say, you don't really have to say, please. So there were times I forgot which screen I'm on, so that's why I gave the power to users so they can control my OBS now. So if you want to see my face, just type exclamation face. FACE, not PHASE. Papi, oh, 2 minutes ఆగి మళ్ళీ పని చేస్తుంది. Reset చేస్తుంది. So yeah, the face is here. Are you Telugu? Yes, I speak Telugu. My main mother tongue is Telugu. నువ్వు కూడా తెలుగేనా? The reason I speak in English because there are other viewers like Anton, Jagdeep Singh. There are few others who don't really understand Telugu. Telugena, bro. Respect. Hey, puppy, you reached 10 points, man. Huh? Who disliked, bro? Probably Jagdeep Singh or someone is going to join the stream. So Jagdeep hates when I speak Telugu. He wants everything to be spoken in English so that he can understand, or Hindi. So I would need some help with this website. I don't really have that much time to have a design, but the logic remains the same. The top viewers or the viewers who has a lot of points, new viewers or obviously people who joined recently, and old viewers are those who are active. Oh, థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రణవ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో ఇట్లనే మర్చిపోతుంటాను నేను ఏ స్క్రీన్ లో ఉన్నా అనేది. అందుకనే ఇప్పుడు నీకు పవర్ మీకు ఇచ్చేసినా మీరు ఏదైనా కంట్రోల్ చేయొచ్చు. There is one more thing which only I have the access for, which is this. Oh, I actually forgot there is one more important thing, Pranav. Chepta. So this one. So this is called as party event. I used to give access to the viewers that there was a horrible spam back in 2022. So as of now, this power is only controlled by me. Other than this, everything is on your hands. And there is one more awesome feature, but I will show it to you so that you guys can stay in my stream. So this is what happens. So let's open my Instagram. Ta-dam. Instagram. Oh, I removed the app. So apart from Siddhartha and Pranav, is there anyone else who has my Blazing Bane Instagram channel? I want you to guys do something. So go to my Instagram and like or comment something. Please do it. I uploaded a reel as well. So ఇఫ్ యు బట్ ప్రణవ్ అండ్ సిద్ధార్థ్ మీరు ఇద్దరు చేయకండి, ఎందుకంటే మీరు చూడాలి. మీరు అక్కడ పోయి లైక్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది కానీ మీరు చూడలేరు. సో మీరు ఇక్కడే ఉండండి, నేను చేస్తాను ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఓ యా స్క్రీన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Oh, those redeem, those are like my old commands. Uh, you don't need to type redeem, just type redeem without ed. So let me show you what happens if I do something nasty in my Instagram. So I don't think any streamer has this feature. I'm not gaslighting things. I don't really think someone had worked with this. So I'm liking a reel of myself. So I hope it works. If you have Insta, you see that, you see Shiva has left a like.
Yandiraya. Yan jatana.
I can explain to you the GIF thing, Yandra, iconic. The thing is, back in 2022, when I used to play games, if I get killed in a very simple or a funny way, people used to do this. Yandra yan jastana, which means, man, what are you doing? It's like you're trying to hide something, and then someone comes up, what are you doing, man, in a funny way, in a sarcastic way. So that's what people used to use when I play a game and I do some reload when enemies were looking at me, and when I get killed, people used to use that thing so that they're like, "What are you doing, man? Why were you reloading the gun when the enemy is right in front of you?" So yeah, it's a long story, but you can ignore this. I'm going to bring all those reading points in Relangi Mama in my streaming bot so that I can customize it very easily. I'm going to bring a lot more GIFs. I probably use English GIFs so that everyone can use it. I need a lot of ideas for those. Okay, so Instagram alerts, that's one thing the bot also handles. So if anyone likes, follows, or comments on my Instagram reels, it's going to show a toast to them. I felt it's useful, but then I realized the person who likes the Instagram thing is not going to watch my streams at the same time. 90% is not going to do it. But how he will know that I am doing this? So that's the problem for future. I'm going to ignore it. Good night. Good night, puppy. Bye. So Siddharth Mupala is a school friend of mine. He's leaving already. Sad. Anyway, respect. Oh, Siddharth puppy has left a like on stream. So that's what happens if someone drops a like. Telugu from other sources, learning Telugu from gift. Yeah, yeah. Telugu is a really easy language to learn actually. There are hardly like 50 to 60 sentences. Once you know those, you will understand the basic concepts. Yeah, it can be customized, but my main reason, so the only good thing I can see as of now is at some point, so this is what my thing is. So I do live streams. I try to pull at least two reels or shorts from a single live stream and then upload it. All right. And by that, I'm going to get some exposure to my YouTube channel. But imagine some people are directly coming to my YouTube channel. I also try to post offline or shorts. They directly come to my YouTube and they can see that, hey, there is something nice happening. So isolating is really a hard thing because I can't really track which like or which post or which content they have liked. I can only receive that, hey, someone has liked your reel. I can't really see what reel they have liked, so I can't really customize it. It's like over engineering things. It will take a lot of time, a lot of janky things, which I don't really have time or interest for, honestly speaking. I just wanted to have, okay, if someone does anything. Yes, yeah, oh yeah. Both the eyes. That's completely true. While developing this, I didn't really think that, okay, while I'm streaming, if someone likes on my Instagram, they're not going to know that I have liked it. There is only one way, which is save all those usernames and send a DM to them like, hey, thanks for the like. But I thought that's going to be a lot creepy, and I didn't really wanted to do that. So yeah, for now, ignore that section. When time comes, people are going to still find me anyways. So cool. But I'm still happy that I was able to build this. Do you stream daily? If yes, what would be the timing so I could follow daily? I actually feel really happy that someone new actually joined. So my loyal viewers are like iconic, like Satyam, Jagdeep Singh. Those, yeah, I try to stream daily, Pranav. I do my best, but again, life hits you with different things. Actually, this week I streamed on Monday. I didn't stream on Tuesday, but I streamed on Wednesday. Thursday, I'm going to definitely stream on Friday. Saturday there are no works, but Sunday I have some plans. But yeah, I try to stream every day. On weekdays, on like weekends, Saturdays, on Sundays, I will stream at night for you guys in India. So there will definitely be a stream every day. I'll do my best. But on Fridays, that what happens is I might not stream programming stuff because on Fridays there would be a lot of meetings and a lot of work. Again, programming things in my office work. I feel exhausted. So on Mondays and Fridays, I try to keep things simple so that I might stream some games. So Pranav, if you are interested in games, I'm a gamer. If you're not, it's fine. So I'm a mobile gamer as well as a PC gamer. I play Battlefield, Rainbow Six Siege, Fortnite, Valorant, any game specifically. There is no really a fixed game. In mobile, I only play one game, which is PUBG, and the other game I really like is this Standoff 2. I really play it when I'm in restroom. When I'm doing my business, I'm just going to play it. War Thunder, yes. Uh, when you have played for almost 10 to 15 years, Iconic, you really enjoy few games. And when you only have 2 to 3 hours a day to play a game, yeah, let's go. So yeah. The Standoff 2 is really good. I really enjoy it, Iconic. When the thing is, when I take my sister out to Walmart or something, I'm going to wait for her in the car and I played that game Standoff 2. It's really competitive and it's really not that hard. I can really play with this phone. It's awesome. I enjoy it. So respect. I really like this control. The the thing. If I say it again, it's going to trigger it. So that's why I'm not saying that word. Yeah, hard to master, yes. But again, that's I really think that's the okay. What my opinion on Standoff 2 is, if you need to play a game which is FPS shooter, serious, but it's not as serious as PUBG. Yes, if you play ranked, it's going to be serious anyways. But for PUBG, it takes 15 to 20 minutes. And if you, I only play ranked in PUBG, so I can't really stop the game in between. But standoff, I don't really take it that seriously. I only played like hardcore, like 15 minutes max. Then obviously my sister would be coming out, and I have to take her home. But in those cases, this game is perfect for me. I'm happy. So thanks to you. So Pranav, talking about your contributions, you're happy to help. There is, I mean, I'm not really forcing you. In many YouTube comments, super chats are missed out if the YouTuber is so busy. I'm not really a busy YouTuber. What if you can apply speak to the super chats only? I think super chat has the speak command. Uh, I think so in super chat, if you send some money, yeah, you can send a message, and that's going to you be something similar to the speak command. I don't know. I never streamed, so I don't know why. Unless you are getting like a thousands of viewers, then I can understand. It's true. But if you're only getting like 5 to 10 viewers and you're not really interacting with the viewers, then what is the purpose of doing a live stream in the first place? Unless you are playing a game or ranked. Yeah, by super, I remember in super chats it says the thing which we type. So the speak command is nothing new. I didn't really invent a new AI or something. It's just a part of interaction. So the speak command, the party, this keyword thing, what I really wanted for those was, I was not really good at games. I was not like a professional gamer, which who could get like 20 to 10 kills, so that people would be watching me. So I need some other things to have to give my viewers a little bit fun in my live streams. I know a bit of coding, but I'm not really like a Linux developer or some AI developer. So I can only give what are capable of in my hands. So I can give you some cool things. I can build some cool things. I can play some cool games. So I am like a decent in everything, but I'm not really a pro gamer, so that you would watch me and like watch me die in a stupid ways. But sometimes I really get good kills. Again, every day is not my day. Sometimes I get 10 kills, sometimes I get killed in the first place. Things happen. So talking with this website, I just want a good layout. I don't know. So this is my main. You have to use exclamation. Both were typing the same thing. Okay. So yeah, should I remove the sound? Is it really needed? I felt it's an indication for me that something has happened. But if you don't really like the sound, I can remove it. So that I have to see all the way here in order to see what screen I am currently in active. What was the reason for frog? Sound is cool, so I'm going to keep it. So this is my primary website, Blazing Bane. It has all the information regarding me. These are the blogs. I write some blogs. I really enjoy writing blogs. I know no one really reads it, but Jayant has liked it. So that's the thing. Jayant is one of my old followers. He was like 2021 follower. He still tries to watch the live streams, but he doesn't know that I have acknowledged his like in my live stream. I need to find a way to let them know that hey, I saw your like. How can I do this? How can I do this? It's brainstorm time now. It's it's high time to brainstorm.
Sudyam
See.
says, repeated commands should not many any sound, in
Yeah, yeah.
case
In
of
case
any
of any
spamming.
spamming, that's true. That's true. That's true. So, I need to put an if condition. Let's see if I can actually achieve it. Story automation. Oh, but actually, these things would really help me grow my community. Yeah, by tagging. But I need to get the Instagram business account or something, and that's the messiest thing I've ever seen. Telegram bot, Discord bot is cool, but I only want to deal with Instagram. Instagram is that sort of platform which I truly hate, but if it works out for you, it's going to bring a lot of, it's going to grow your community. I'm not saying it's going to bring you a lot of money, but it's going to grow your community. In YouTube, if I work for 6 months, I might get 5 to 10 viewers, but if I do the same thing, if I do some automations, if I bring some more interesting things to Instagram, I might get easy. I'm not going to like, so yeah, that's what I want to do. So let's brainstorm the thing. One second, boys. Yeah, Easy Snippet has 3 million followers. And I watched one of his old reel. He said that he used to play games, he used to stream games, but that didn't work. He used to he used to do some programming tutorials, even that didn't work. But his entire Instagram is about programming, but he does the same thing in YouTube and that didn't work. So Instagram is a sort of a different platform. If you somehow manage the algorithm or trick, you if you maintain viewers audience, if you do something interesting, it won't generate you money, but it gives you a community which can bring you whatever things you need. That's the take on Instagram from my side. And do you like the face thing? So let's go streaming. This is my streaming PC and this is my streamer bot. So these are the cancel please. These are the actions. That's true. That's true. That's true. The heck. See, that same trick will not work on YouTube. Try it. If you upload the same reel on YouTube, it won't work. That's the thing. Two apps basically try to do the same thing, but they completely have a different character. And if you realize, if you upload the same reel on YouTube and Instagram, the comments would look different. In YouTube, you would get, let's say, 2 out of 5 trolls or roast, but the same for the same reel, you will get a different response in Instagram. And you'll also get a different response in Reddit because YouTube is already a video visualize heavy platform with shots of meme kind. Instagram is used by I'm still sure YouTube Shorts are not really that famous. See, I wish I can add like if condition or something. Can I add like if condition, streamer bot, remote? No. Core, delay, action, commands. Hmm. OBS, get current scene. Okay, what is going to do? With that get current scene, it's going to do something?
Satyam says, not comparing reels and shorts but the main motto of the apps, Instagram being
Yeah,
images and photos heavy if we remove reels from it.
Instagram is something different. And it same goes with Twitter. Twitter. Yeah. Streamer bot, if conditions. I don't know if it's the right word to use it, if conditions. So that's what my next step is to generate at least one or two reels and just post it. Doesn't matter if anyone watches it or not, just post it. If one reel gets like 500 views, I can get two viewers on my YouTube. Yes or no?
Satyam says, have you tried streaming on
I
Twitch?
did. I did. Oh, you have got 40 points, Pranav. Congratulations. Perform if else logic. That's the thing. I don't really have it. Actions, an action. I can't really achieve it without building DDFs. There is no other way. Get what it's going to get from OBS, get currency and get status. How can I do that? Do this. So obviously, they looks like they don't really have an option to check if if it's this screen, then obviously don't need to do it. But let's see. Relay scenes. Is there any way to
Satyam
like
says, how do I reply to people in stream?
how do I reply to people in stream? You're talking about the at the rate thing? Yeah, you can type at the rate and type Pranav, I guess. Satyam, you got 200 points, man. I need to build something with points. I don't want you guys to pile up 1,000, then feel like, hey, what am I going to do with points? But one day I'm going to bring some interesting stuff because I was able to pull up all these. So I trust my brain. It has some ideas, but I'm trying to pick those ideas which truly help me bring some interaction to my stream. I can put GIFs or some other audio things, but it will only bring like 1 to 2 minutes of interesting things to my stream. So that's not really what I want. I want to build some automations which could bring more viewers to my stream. I did build some bots. I just run in my friend's laptop so that it looks like I am the one. I mean, the bot would type some random things in Telugu so that YouTube doesn't know that I'm using a bot. It actually brought some new viewers to my stream. So people think like, okay, there are 5 people watching, then that means something interesting is going to happen. And I got some new people to my stream using that technique. If I'm not really that desperate now, so I'm not really using any bots, but I admit I did it. But I developed those bots and I used it. Is my mic working? Hello? Yep, it's working. Actually, I improved my mic. Previously, the audio was like echoing. It was as if I'm speaking in a room, which I am, but it was a lot of echo. But I feel the voice is a lot better now. Did you guys notice anything? Variable, no. Actions, no. Hmm. Yeah, I don't really. When TikTok was getting banned, I was like, that doesn't really make any difference. But it's again, it is what it is, man. I get the OBS current scene. So once I get this, I need to put an if condition. How can I do it? Actions, set an action state, arguments. Oh, variable name. Yeah, 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 yeah. Current scene. I think I can do something with this. Okay.
Satyam says, I don't think the at worked at all.
It should work actually. Let me try it. I mean, that's the only thing I am aware of. It's been a while I have tagged someone. So I'm watching my own stream. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's not working. But I saw people doing. I think in Twitch you can best specify. I mean, you can do it in Twitch, but I'm not sure why it's not working in this. Hmm. I don't know. 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 So how can I add any condition to this? So these are the variables you can use other variable name is current name.
Satyam says, it happens in YouTube too, the at thing.
No, but I don't really see it. Maybe only moderators, those people can actually use it. Let me switch to my main account and try to see it. So I am commenting from my like Blazing Bane account. Let's see. Hey, I'm not really seeing that as well. Why do you like that frog so much? I don't think that would work as of now. I have disabled it until I try to deal with this. In this sub action will allow you to set the value of an argument. Okay, these are variables you use in
So
other
too
sub
iconic
actions.
says, I came back.
Oh, you're welcome back. Welcome back. So let's say value is screen. That's a screen. Game. Okay. Set the argument to something. How can I get this value? Can I get this value? OBS get currency. How can I store it? Currency in stream or bot. I'm sure I can. Has anyone worked with RTMP servers? I work with RTMP servers. I work with RTMP. I work with SRT. I work with HLS. Ask me what you want to ask. SRT is a lot more stable than RTMP. Unless you are in Wi-Fi, you are sure that your internet is going to be up and down, then RTMP is fine. But if you are using mobile internet or something, then SRT is a go-to. Okay, let's see. Get currency. What does it do? I need to stream in my website. So the thing is, from my OBS Studio. So obviously you need an RTMP receiver in your website. I think there is a package for it. I'm not sure. Okay, this following variable will be populated. Okay, connection required. Oh, it's going to set the current scene. Okay, 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 okay. But you need to stream on website. Okay. How to view an RTMP in browser? S3? Why are you streaming S3? I did also use the Docker. It's really convenient in that way. Oh, not RTMP, not RT. Hmm. Yeah, ingest web RTMP, JavaScript RTMP client for browsers. It's not really updated, but it was really inspired from Bilibili FVY player. Yeah, you can use add a ADV player. You can also use a video. A lot of things. I don't think that's really complicated. You said you are good to store the video files in S3. So you are taking the video file and streaming it to your browser? Are you using like some kind of what the e-education platforms where you don't really want users to download the entire file so that you are streaming it whenever needed? Is that what you're going to do? If that's okay, I got it. So if that's what you really want, the users to download your media, there is M3U8. You can still download it anyways. But how can I make it work in production? Hey, 50 points, man. 50 points. What are the challenges you're facing in production? The term production is a big word. I would request a lot more like scenarios. Do you have a lot of users, or your is AWS asking for a lot of money? What is the thing which you're worried about? If you are you worried about domain and something other than you can use Caddy for HTTPS. You can use Cloudflare. I don't know how to set it up. So production is nothing new. Production is not like a new universe or something. It's just adding dev is HTTP, production is HTTPS. That's it. So you need to add a lot more security and reliability. That's the only thing you need to worry about as an initial phase to production. Production is not something you need to afraid of. It's the same thing, just you need to streamline few things. Right now, I'm storing it in my local, yeah, M3U8 files. You can stream it to the browser anyways. That's the thing, you should not be storing it when you're streaming it. So how YouTube and other thing works is they send packets. The M3U8 is perfectly fine. It's made for this use case.
Satyam says, production is the end goal, the chunks can combine to make production are what matters the most, but production also has its trade-offs.
Yep, and nothing is perfect anyways. So in production, what you are basically what you are going to do is you are going to send like 5 subsections of the video, and when user reaches third or fourth, there needs to be another validation that is an authorized user to watch that media, and then you get that information back. You send the another 5 to 10 chunks of video. That's how the M3 UA transaction works. You're not supposed to send the entire media, and you're not supposed to live stream it on your browser. You send those packets, and it's everything is going to be using HTTPS, like the handshake, the bearer, the header, tokens, etc., etc. I think ChatGPT better answer than me because it knows a lot more than me. So yeah, basically that's the idea. So currently, how are you streaming the M3U8 files? You can skip the validation. M3U8 is not like something you which is uh, M3U8 will not stop users to download your videos. Even in M3U8, you can still download those videos. There are many browser extensions which can let you download Nginx server using Docker. Hmm. So, my friend, I would suggest you to check out these HLS players. So, there are a lot of free players in storing M3 in local and giving the local path to the friend. And that's not what you. That's not how you should send those. What's happening? Oh, I got disconnected. So, implement HTTP live streaming client. There are a lot of open source clients for this. You can use this as well. It's fine. By transmusing the MP or transport stream and asynchronous stream into a buffer fragments and synchronous with okay, there's something a lot more complicated, I guess. 1 second. That contains a playlist. They do not contain audio or video. If you open the file in the text editor, you will see okay. Let's see what they are trying to do. No. Oh, I don't want to download, bro. So this is what you need. Uh, let's focus only on one resolution. Let's say 1080p. I'm giving you a vague overview. I never really done M3 U8 myself. So forget about front end. This is the architecture. So what you're going to do is you will have a video in your thing and you will have the each heads of that video. Let's say you have split that video into 5 sections. So you're going to send the video. You're not going to stream it. Just going to send each video, each part of the video for every 5 seconds. So if the user has reached 4 seconds, you are going to send the next video. Forgot about validations and security as of now. Just implement this first feature. Then apply these validations. How you are going to do it? Just using the OAuth 2.0 or any kind of action bearer, getting the user ID, and then checking if the user all has the access or not. The security is there is no formula for security. The more layers you add, the more secure it's going to be. There is no fix like okay, use this and it's going to work. No, everything is everything can be breakable and everything can be fixed a lot more robust. But I'm not really an expert in the security related matters, but basically this is how it works. So let's see. Hmm, how can I build an M3 U8 streaming service? I have a video file in local. I need to stream it to the client using HTTPS. What is the other one? M3U8. Okay, HLS HTTP service format, converting HTTPS. Yeah, convert the video to the HLS using FFX. Oh, yeah. So basically, we need to split the videos into a segment and generate the playlist. That's perfectly fine. So playlist is nothing but all the chunks of the videos. So the thing is, M3U8 is smart. If you have the first playlist, it's going to send you the second. So it tells you, okay, what have you watched? You have watched the fourth part. Now I'm going to give you the fifth part to take the fifth part. That's the only thing it does. Instead of sending the whole video, it will send you the playlist. That's what the entire M3U8 section is. So don't really get afraid of this HLS. Can we add a small block on the stream window for this? Is there something wrong? Why I disconnected. To then can we add a small block on the stream window for the streams which shows your time like 8 p.m. then it shows the current time both in the time zone. It will help. I can do it. I can really do it. I think there's a plugin OBS show current time. There's a browser source. What's this? Does it is it showing my time? Oh no, I need like 11. I wish it has PM and AM thing. Well, the idea is really good. I can develop it one for my own, but again, that's not really needed. This format will work fine. This digiclock, I can put it at the in the rect text there. Are you guys able to tell that it's PM or AM? That's the only thing I'm worried about. So I'm going to. I think I can edit this image. Yeah, text, darken background. Yes. Yeah. So okay. I wish I can change it to 11 something. Which one do you like, Satyam? I never really thought about this, but actually, this is a very helpful thing. Why is everything in 24 hours? Oh, there is date and time. OBS countdowns. I didn't really see all these. These are interesting. Let's see, timers. Let's go with date. Date and time. Digital clocks. Clock. Yeah, I think there should be, but I don't really see it. How about these? This seems fine. Where's the dark background? Are you guys fine with this? So this is what I'm going to do. I will add this browser source, but I'm going to crop it till here so that it basically the same. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to set it to white. I think white is the one which appears a lot better. But how can I change the background color of this? Can I change this? Apply? It's not really changing. Okay, I'm going to use this browser source. Jagdeep Paji, welcome to the stream, man. I was कितनी बार याद किया था तुमने आए नहीं oh okay what is the URL it's card media I thought I can copy paste this good morning Subodai okay I can copy this yeah याद किया था I mean I was talking about some like old viewers etc there is a new viewer today Pranav and he was asking are there any people who watch other than in a different time zone yep he's here so speak command you need to use exclamation not at the rate
Pranav_dev says, hi.
I was telling him that yeah, there are few people. So yeah, let's going to add. I'm going to add this. Hey, it's already 12. I'm supposed to sleep. So you might not. Let's enable the studio mode overlays. So I'm going to add a browser source time. Hey, add it. Did it work? How about this? Can I? I can just directly add this instead. Let's see. Current date and time. OBS browser source. The website is really too big. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the same thing. Okay. Is it? Oh, it's actually 12. Okay, it's showing me the time. Okay. But why was it not showing me the 12 clock? That looks bad. Any other brilliant ideas, my friends? Let's use this. This seems, yeah, this seems fine. This, I think I can use this. Hey, thanks for the like, bro. I'm not. Hey, creation, welcome back. I'm going to college. Happy journey. Happy journey, bro. Happy journey. I'm not. Uh, oh, yeah. Thanks. Thanks. Respect. Let me just add this one thing. It's working. Copy, bro. Copy this and just add it here. Why wouldn't it work? Okay, that's worked. 1920, 80. Okay, it should be 1920 into 1080. Okay, I got the overlay, I guess. Okay. So the problem is I don't really need it to be this big, so I'm going to decrease the resolution to 2080 into 720. That should be fine, and then basically interact with this. Scroll a little bit, please. It doesn't want me to scroll. Refresh. Come on, just show me the time to. I gave up. I'll do something else. 1 minute. I have another idea. I'll just display capture. Uh, mhm. How about this? Do you guys see anything? I wish I can enlarge this. Oh, it's a little bit down. You guys can see the time, right? I got my energy is completely down. That's why I can't really zoom it. So you can see now. Let's see. I can zoom it in a little bit. You know what? Give me 1 minute. I'm going to fix this thing. Okay, it should be somewhere. Hey, congrats on 220 points, Satyam. Is it anything? Is it visible actually? I don't think that's visible. Let me increase this. It's too big. Decrease it. I think that's fine. I'm basically taking it out from Windows. I am taking it out from Windows. I think there should be a plugin or something which I can use. OBS plugin for date and time. But the thing is, I need to restart my OBS. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I can actually write a simple HTML file. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. See, that's what this user has done. He basically wrote an HTML file. Let me try this. Documents. Okay, yep, 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 yep. Good night. Sorry. Thanks for joining. VS Code, open it, it's fine. I'm just trying to see which section am I in. Okay, live. Okay. 2SAM, 2SAM. Okay, VS Code. Where is the option? VS Code. Invalid. It says invalid. I would suggest type Discord in the chat. Oh, these are these are few other things. If you type exclamation Discord, it's going to show. Satyam, thank you so much. Respect. This music is from Battlefield, actually. One of the games I truly time.html. Let's save this. Let's save the React. I'll be back one moment. Browser source. I'm still here. I'm just working with this time and local file. Local file is a lot better instead of making HTTP requests. Live, 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 live. Where is the time? HTML. Time.html. Wonderful. Ah, there you see. Uh, yep, that's my time. March 25th. Okay, let's decrease this. Okay, let's decrease it this way. You don't need the date, right? You just need the time, and there is no need for the time zone. Hey, what do you think now? I will. Maybe it's better to keep it to the right. It's fine. Let's do this one last time. Man, this is perfect. This is perfect. I can just modify the CSS if I really wanted to, but that's perfectly fine. You guys can see my time, so it's awesome. It's awesome. So let's provide some credits for this person, whoever this is.
Satyam says, amazing.
Perfect. I got the idea to just add some HTML and TypeScript, sorry, in JavaScript, and someone has actually did it. See, open source community. It's amazing. Without open source, things are going to be a lot expensive and harder. Every company is going to put a lot more money. That means things eventually get a lot more expensive. Okay, let's close all the other things which are necessary. Okay, I don't need these. Why did I? Okay, yeah, yeah. Ignore all these, man. Skip. Let me just use it. Skip, skip.
Satyam says, now it will be helpful for you too.
Yes, it will be. Please,
Satyam
please.
says, to check the time.
Yeah, skip. Actually, this is a really good thing because if I want to make a clip, I can just see the time and I know I can just scroll to that perfect time. Satyam, you're awesome. I'm not joking, you're awesome. HTTP, localhost, what? HTTP, localhost, what is the URL for it? 1313. Hey, so I was thinking about this. So you work on Golang more? How can I answer this? I work with TypeScript, I work with React, Angular, I work with Python, I work with Java, I work with Golang. So the thing is, I work with Node.js as well. I don't really link myself to a language. So for lead code and stuff, I use Python. For browser and any other things, I use TypeScript. For website like this, obviously I need JavaScript. But I try to prefer Golang when I need like fast language, which is reliable, static, and can be deployed in a Raspberry Pi version like 34-bit ARM-based processor. I hope I answered. This is the problem with me. I try to give a complicated answer for simple questions. I don't really want. I don't really do that wantedly. It just happens to me. I'm getting two messages. 1 minute. So I think I answered your question. So I enjoy Golang. I love that language. I love TypeScript. I love Golang. I hate Python. I hate JavaScript, but let's not include it. But I love TypeScript. I love Golang. I hate Python. Other than doing lead code, and if I'm getting paid to do it, and I won't be prefer using that language. Java is too outdated, it's too verbose, no time to experiment, lol. Yeah. See, the thing is, if you really need it, give it a try. Because you can't really learn Golang and Rust, C++ without a need for it. C++ is different, but Golang and Rust, there are different mindsets. You cannot just learn it as Python and JavaScript and call it a day. If you need to have some motivation to do it. So the thing is, the bot which you are seeing, the Relang Mama, the Stream Assistant, everything, which this was first built in Python back in 2021 and 2022. It was janky. Things were not working as expected. There needs to be some multi-threading, database calls, API calls, and Python was really struggling. I'm not blaming Python. It could be my skill issue. But again, the same skills, I did it in Golang and it was awesome. I know some Rust, which I learned from for so long. Ah, yeah, basic Rust. I never looked into Rust because, again, motivation. I don't really see a need for myself to do it in Rust. Yeah, I do have an interest to learn it, but I can't. I know myself. I know my mindset. I can't really learn a thing without actually having an interest and motivation. Papa, greetings. Hi, Papa. You are an old viewer. Yeah, you only get demotivated by learning Rust. In short, yeah, that's that's kind of it. Welcome, Papa. You seem to be an old viewer. You have 30 points, but I don't really remember, so forgive me. Show my face. I'm sorry. I might have forgot you. Let's see. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I, yeah, when I hang out sometimes, it's okay. We can rebuild our communications once again. So, Pranav, yeah, it's been a while. I remember your name, Papa, but I don't really remember the conversations. So the thing is, I remember names. So I remember Satyam, but I also remember the conversations I had, the friendship and the relation I have with him. That's what I'm missing from you. I don't really remember having a conversation or anything. Good frog, I have a frog. So the same way I have a relation with Iconic, now I'm building one with Pranav, etc., etc., etc. What were we discussing, Papa? Anyway, it's almost 12:15. So yeah, I need some ideas with this layout. I don't really want to be, I want it to be too clustered. Maybe I can paginate these things so that it shouldn't be this long. Ah, thank you. Thank you, Pranav. I totally. You have a very good memory. Yes, we are working on troubleshooting your Raspberry Pi. Oh, I can understand that you're saying things in a sarcastic way. But hey, man, everything is working, Papa. Everything is working. Now I remember. Yeah. So, speak command is working, alerts are working. I built this new website which shows all the users. Let's see what is the first stream you have joined. Let's search for you. Let's search for your name, Papa. So this is you. This is the first stream you have joined. See, what is it about? No thanks.
Pizza!
Man, I try to remember things. I remember your name, Papa, but I don't really remember what we are talking about or when you just joined my stream. So I request just join my streams and say hi so that I can maintain a flow of you guys. Yep. So this, come on, how much of ad is this? Come on, dude. So you were joined 1 month. Oh, you just enjoy the week. It's you joined 1 month back, bro. I don't even remember what was I streaming. Oh, I was doing this. Okay, okay, okay. I stopped this project. It was not really necessary anymore. Oh, I completely forgot about this, man. So yeah, this was a React-based website. Yeah, I remember this. So Jagdeep was having 25 points, and Papa, you were having 14. I'm so sorry, I forgot you. Mhm. Anyway, welcome back to the stream. I think this website is, I mean, it doesn't really look that good, but it helps my viewers to know what is the first stream they have joined and what is the last one. Sorry, it didn't work. No, it was working fine. It was working fine. But the thing is, it's actually a good thing that I stopped working on it because I posted a thing in the Hugo community, and someone just responded that, hey, I know it's a majority of you consider it as a hobby to develop things, but you're actually reinventing the wheel. There is already a thing existing, it does the same thing. So he just advised that I'm wasting my time, which I was. I don't mind or I don't feel bad that someone just told me, hey, you're wasting your time because there is already a better tool which is also open source. Then why am I doing the same thing? So it actually saved my mind and saved my time, and I worked on some other things, which perfect. See, I'm
Satyam
confident.
says, the stats on the website is cool.
Yep. I mean, the website looks bad, I know, but it's still work in progress. So for now, I'll come back to your question. It's a long, it's a long answer, so I'll come back to you. Yeah, saving time and your nerves. Yes, I can save some time, work on some other things. That's the best part because I know that I can finish that project. Might take 1 to 2 months, but I can finish it. It's not that I failed to do it. No, I wanted to do it. Then I realized it's waste of time. There is already a better tool, so I ditched that project and I moved on some other things. You should also doing the same. Any developer who does it, don't really connect your heart with the project unless you are building like Stream Assistant or some personal projects which you are going to use. But if you're trying to build a project which you are using it and you're trying to reinvent the same wheel, then don't do it. Save some time for yourself. So Pranav, what was the project? So the project is about this. I'll give you a short, quick answer. Let me do some overaction. I'm going to use my iPad. He. I got this cheap pencil. Where is it? For like $11 just to use my iPad. This is actually my sister's. So come on, open it. I'm going to buy one myself one day, hopefully. Where's the cost thing? 1 second, Pranav. I'm going to explain everything for you. Okay, it should be up. Am I showing my screen or my face? Okay, I'm showing my screen. So yeah, this is what I'm going. This is what is it about, Pranav? I don't think. Okay, so dude, it's not really a flex. Trust me, it looks like it, but it's not really a flex. I don't own an iPhone, bro. I'm just using a Pixel, which is a good phone. I like it. It was given for me by free, for free by my network provider. So I don't really flex things. I'm not really materialistic. But it's not that I'm showing an iPad. It's an old iPad. It's just I want to draw things. That's how I do my brainstorm. I don't type. I draw things.
Satyam says, that iPhone thing, I feel targeted.
Why?
Satyam says, LOL.
So let me show you. So you see all these files. Show my face. Show my face. So I put like a bunch of these white papers blank, and also these. Oh no, these. These are something else. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. These. So I brainstorm in these way. This way. You see. Oh, it's too bright. I don't think you can see it. Just a snippet, please. Come on. Can you guys see it? Yeah. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I try to mash things on papers when I'm using my brain. Uh, but yeah, but seriously, yes. So this is a person who am I do these things. I save this as a copy so that I can refer to them later on. If I don't use my pen or paper, I don't get any ideas. I just feel blank. When I do typing, I don't really get ideas. So that's why I always wanted to have a digital version of it. So I actually got these XP pen, if you guys are aware of it. It's like $20 where you can draw on like things using this XP pen pencil. It's not good. I mean, the drawing it's fine, it works, but it doesn't really give that feel. Uh, and if you're using multiple monitors, it's like, so how can I tell you? Oh, I can't really connect it because it needs a wired connection. So the thing is, I didn't really enjoy working with this, so I gave up the idea. So I just figured out let's use pen and paper again. But my sister has this, but the Apple Pencil is really expensive. So then I found this for $11, and it's awesome. If I couldn't get sleep, if I feel trouble sleeping, I would just use this, draw some things. I'm not really an artist. I'm talking about the architecture or system design. Or like, okay, I have this speak command. How can I do this? How can I do this? I will have a better picture of what. True. Yes. But with pen and paper, you can't really adjust it. Let's say you have written something, but you want to attach this section to something else, which brings a lot more explanation, or it feels really good. That's what I'm trying to say. Hey, come on, dude, unlock. What it is. Let me message it. Let me message. I saved it somewhere. Oh, come on, it's not working. I think it's disconnected. How can I reconnect it? Close. 1 second, boys. 1 second, please. My bad. So, Pranav, are you still here? Sorry, I forgot to answer your question. I didn't really forget. I'm going to show you.
Satyam says,
Oh,
yeah, organizing and retaining the papers or a old notebook is a pain definitely.
yep. So, this thing saved a lot of time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, Papa, user has the control which screen they want to see. Anyways, thank you. Pranav. Respect. So the Blazing Bane site, which is currently up, which is developed using Hugo, which is this. But before to this, it was developed using WordPress, which is a good tool. WordPress, good framework. It powers what 50% of websites in the internet. It's fine. It's great. What happened? Oh, looks like there is a spam which Satyam was talking about. So you can.
Satyam says, can we make a commands feature that can show all the commands that users can access?
Yes, you can type exclamation CMDS. I don't think you would I don't think you would like how it works, but try it. I don't think you will like it, but I think that's the only way I can show all the commands. Right? So Pranav, let me answer this and let's get to sleep. CMDS, not is it CM? Yeah, it's CMDS. There is CMN. No, it's CMDS. I think I need to put something else. Okay, let's focus on this. Yes. How many of you? Okay, one, two, three, four. I don't know why it put four. Looks like there is
Satyam
a.
says, also, for more the points the user has he can access some specific command that the other cannot, loyalty privilege.
Yes, but I didn't really assign any points. Like I'm not really assigning any commands to any points as of now because no one is really spamming. Everyone is fine. I'm enjoying everyone. I don't really see any rude viewers until now. So let's answer Pranav so that you don't feel pissed off. True. So what I'm talking about in WordPress, the thing which I missed after moving to Heat is this. The reason I moved for is WordPress was slow and etc. 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 So I just moved to Hugo. Awesome. But the thing I really noticed in WordPress, I post a blog and I can edit it on the fly.
So too Iconic says,
Oh,
your mic is acting up.
hello, 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 hello.
Satyam says, voice.
Is it gone? Hello. Maybe it's dead or something. Let's see. Still up. Hello, hello, hello. Does it feel any better?
Satyam says, no, it was
Oh,
like you were in a zombie movie.
Maybe I turned on the noise cancellation. No, it's the default. Is it any better now? I just changed the microphone. I have like two of
Satyam
these.
says, now it's
Oh,
cool.
I don't know why that happens though. So okay, when I moved to Hugo, I lost this feature where I can edit it on the fly. Oh, probably. So let me keep it down. So let me speak it this way. It seems better now. If you're really feeling in trouble, I can buy some other mic, but we'll see if I can work with what I got. No problem. So what happens is I can edit the blocks on the fly. I just go to blazingmed.com, admin, and do that thing. That's a little bit quiet. Okay, I think this is fine now. So I really missed this feature. So what I did was, okay, why not just develop a website which, okay, probably I don't really know what the issue though. It's okay, I can investigate that later. Let's let's answer Pranav's thing. So I really missed this feature. It was really needed for me. So what I did, without exploring the internet for an existing solution, what I did, I jumped in and tried to build my own thing, which is so Hugo. This application will be hosted. Thank you. So this application will be hosted in my streaming PC, which stays up all the time anyways. So it has files, it has access to a Docker container which has all my Hugo files. And it's going to show like a VS Code kind of a thing in a browser. I can edit my code on the fly using this website from anywhere from the internet as long as my stream is up or my PC is running. I can make changes, make modifications, and work with it. It was working fine. I can save it. I can put few buttons over here, which if I press deploy, it's going to deploy it to my like GitHub and production service, everything. It was working fine. But one day I felt, okay, how can I add some more features? I went into the Hugo community and posted this. Guys, I'm working on this and I feel someone liked. Oh, I forgot to turn on the face mask thing. Thanks for the like, whoever did it. Thank you so much. So I posted a question to the community and they said, why are you wasting your time? You can use vscode.dev. You don't really need to reinvent a wheel. VS Code Dev is perfect. I tried it and it's awesome. So yeah, that's why I abandoned it. It was really a good going project. I was able to edit the files. Everything was working fine. It was built with Golang and React as a front end. React. It was working fine. But once I used it, I felt this is absolutely unnecessary. I don't really have to keep my streaming PC up all the time. I can also use this from my Chromebook, from my laptop, from my PC. I don't really have to sit in front of my computer and do it. Yeah, that's why I've abandoned it. I don't feel any regret or anything. I feel happy that I didn't waste a lot of time in future. Well, I have an answer. No, no need. So I was aware of this VS Code dev. The problem was there is a problem before this, which is the Hugo, which I develop. If I directly push it to Cloudflare and deploy it from Cloudflare, the website was looking something odd. The CSS were not working as expected. So what I used to do, I developed on my PC. I generate the output files in my PC and then submit those output files to the Cloudflare so that it would work. So this entire process, I need to sit in front of my PC and do it. But time to time, I sit at a cafe or at some other place where I write my blog using my laptop. That's not possible. So that's what I wanted to bring. So the reason I didn't really use this and wanted to build mine was so that it can directly edit on my PC and it can maintain stylings and everything. After I gave up with this, I put more hours onto this and try to identify what the issue was, and I fixed it. Now I don't really need anything complicated. I can just open my VS Code dev, make some modifications in the code, push it, and Cloudflare is going to deploy or generate the output files and show the website. So yeah, I saved some time from the project and kept it inside, like solving these why this is not working. So I spinned up 3 Docker containers and tried to clone the repository and see why does when I build from here the website looks odd, but when I build from my Windows it's looking good. It's because of Hugo version. Cloudflare also uses Docker container to spin up or generate the outputs. It was using V132, but Hugo Windows obviously got the latest version. It was using 136 or something, and there was a mismatch. Yes. So yeah, I fixed it and it's working fine now. I just I make modifications anywhere I want and then just push it. It's going to handle it. Super convenient. Thankful. So yeah, that's was the project. So again, Pranav, I just a random question. Where do you host your static sites, like any PPT or PDF? PPT or PDF? Oh, static sites. So hmm, for images, I use IGBB, or there is a website for this. For all the other static sites, I only have 4 PDFs as of now. So they currently in the repository itself. So they are hosted in Cloudflare indirectly, but I don't really have much files. If I have more files, I'll think about it. But as of now, I don't really have any. But as you can see, there is a PC which stays up all the time in my room, and there is a Raspberry Pi. And this Hugo website also has a backend which is hosted in Raspberry Pi. So I can host all those files inside my Raspberry Pi and it would work fine. I'm not really worried about it because I have a lot of options and solutions to fix that issue. I don't really want to pay any AWS S3. I know it's free for 1 year, but I still don't want to use it. So this Hugo also has a backend. It's a static site, but it's reactive. And this Hugo is built with Alpine JS. I'm not using React or Angular. I'm using Alpine JS. If you're aware of it, it's an awesome tool. If you know its true potential, it's awesome. If you're, it's fine if you can still use React or Angular, it doesn't really make a difference. But Alpine JS, it's lightweight, it does its job. So this is how I truly think. And again, this was, let's see. Hmm. This is the thing, YouTube user views. So this I made it at midnight, 3 a.m. on Sunday, I guess. I wanted to bring this single user website. Uh, this is what I'm talking about. Where is the damn blazing main website? Yep, this process. You can see this is exactly how it looks. So username, this is the icon, name, I mean the navigation, the user icon, the name, the points, and the 2 blocks. These refers to these. So if I design it in this way, I get an idea. So I had two uh, backends. I mean, 2 options. First, to expose the backend of my stream assistant, or to expose my. I already exposed my Hugo backend. It is also hosted in Raspberry Pi, and my stream assistant is also hosted in Raspberry Pi. Why not, instead of opening my stream, just make a local HTTP call and get the output and bring it back? I felt there are more plans in the future with the streaming, so I just realized I'll just open the stream backend. Now this can also answer from my blog so that it can return what the user's stats and everything is. Front end, stick to plain JavaScript. That was the initial idea. I don't really wanted to use React or anything. As you can see, it's not really needed. I wanted to stick to basics. If I go into micro front end where some part of the website is built with Hugo and other part with React or anything, it's going to complicate my things. I can't really use that push deploy thing anymore. I need to maintain another repository for my React web page. It was painful. That's why I wanted to stick with plain JS, but I found Alpine JS, which also almost plain JS, but it's really awesome. So yeah, I'm not looking, and there are no regrets as of now. Oh, now I just need to work on my stylings, make this website look good, and it's good to go. So again, this is the website which is for all the chat commands, right? If there is anything else you guys want to know, good. If it's already 12:40, I would like to go to sleep. Everything's okie dokie, I guess. Yeah, so good night. Yep. Thank you, Iconic. Yep. Thank you, Papa. Good night. I don't know if you're still here. See you later. Yeah, I'm going to stream every day. If not every day, probably day after tomorrow. Yeah, bye, Satyam. Yeah, if you have a decent idea, I don't really need. Can you check this? Yeah, check what? I hope you guys understand. I'm not really trying to flex. I'm not a flexer myself. Is my mic all right? Which one should I check? I'm waiting. Oh, you have posted a website, but looks like the YouTube has removed it. You can send it in Discord. You can send it in Discord so that I can pull. Yeah, it's a YouTube thing. I'm not doing it. Yeah, send it, Mary. Should improve the thumbnail a bit. Yeah, Satyam, you read my mind, bro. You really read my mind. I'm using the same thumbnails. Yeah, I'm using the same thumbnails for like 2 months now. I need to develop like 5 to 6, and it's going to be fine. I can reuse the same things. But I need to put my face on my thumbnails, and I'm not really confident. I feel shy, so I just let's reuse the same thing. Is it fine if I keep the same face and send the asset on Discord to me? Okay. What do you want me to send you? So I use this website called Canva something. I know Photoshop is like pro level, but this is fine. It does my job. Can you see the website name I'm putting here? I don't really see anything. You see, the last comment from you was okay, cool. That's it. Give me 5 minutes. Be on stream. Okay, sure, sure, sure. But this is the asset I use. How can I download this? Can I? Is this photo fine? This is the only one I shot. And you can see I'm not really looking at the camera because I was really uncomfortable. I don't really look at the camera while I'm streaming. That's why I kept it all the way up. That is, I still need to get used. Oh, the Canva link. Okay. Share. Anyone with a link? Okay, copy link. I don't know. Yeah, you can deal with it. Uh, Discord. Mm. Satyam Singh. Okay, you go. Okay, I'll wait. Canva is really good website. It does the job. I don't really have to deal with Photoshop and things. I see you. I see you. You got the access. Shahid has liked the stream on Instagram, and I wish they can see a. Oh, you're going. You said you wanted to post some link for the website. I mean, if you wanted to leave, yeah, sure, no problem. But I'm I'm still fine if you can send me in Discord. Then, uh, where should I put it? Are you aware of a thing called Discord? That's the only thing I have. If not, you can DM me on Instagram. It's Blazing Bane, or you can go to my website, which I built so that you guys can use it. Just go to the homepage and use this or this. Just send this, or you can use my Twitter. Check Discord. Okay, Discord is fine. I don't really see it. Are you in my this one? Oh, okay. Kiwis host.xyz. Iconic has done this thing and it's really awesome. I forgot to oh no, forgot to talk about this with him. Iconic, this is really a good creativity. I really like it. You know what? Let's put it as my wallpaper for a few days and let's see if Iconic notices this. Uh, zip. Okay, let's copy paste. This is my same. Oh no, I think I didn't really copy it. Okay, copy and no, and paste. Host your files with style. Okay. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I didn't really know about this site. Uh, what is the fees? Simply drag your files into the browser and we support PDFs, image, presentation, and more. Host any file you need. Okay. Get your subdomain or connect your custom domain for a professional look. Awesome. Instant sharing. Okay. Respect. Thank you, Pranav. This shows I don't know everything. I don't really know everything, so we can both help each other. I hope one day I'll help you as well some other time. Yes, very oh, Papa, yes, you're still here. It's a very cool website. How come I didn't really know about this? You are working on it? Check the color. Oh, man, is that your website? I'm out of words. That's an awesome work, man. The website looks sick. Check the colors. I don't really see any change. I'm not really fully aware of this Canva. Do I need to refresh? I was gonna wait till. Uh, he wanted to like show some things. Man, this website is really looking good, man. Custom domain feature is still working on. It's awesome. It's awesome. I'm going to use it. I'm going to let everyone know. Oh, was I showing my face until now? It's awesome, bro. I really like the design. I really like the colors. It looks professional. My website creativity is not up to the level. So as you can see, this is this is what I max came off. So I try to keep develop things fast in the front end side, but I'm really good with the art things. But now my website looks like trash compared to yours. It's okay. It's okay. But man, this looks awesome. Yep, this the color selection also looks great. Now check the second slide. All right, let's see. Oh, that's a lot like catchy, man. You know what? Just add your name so that I can like credit you that you have developed this. It's awesome. How about this? I will take few pictures. Respect. I need to put more alerts as this way. Back to gaming. Man, thank you so much. This looks good. This looks good. As you can see, my creativity, it's trash. I just white background, let's code, and that's it. I didn't really work on this section a lot. I really like this one. I put at least 1 to 2 hours for this, but man, in 15 to 10 minutes, you did this. It's good. If I could make like 4 to 5 variations out of this, it's enough for a whole month, bro. Thank you so much. If you need anything from me, let me know. Any kind of help, which I'm capable of doing. Oh, my thumbnail looks trash in front of it. Okay, this is going to be my next thumbnail. Oh, it's almost 12:50. Let me take some sleeping melatonin because I'll get some trouble sleeping anyways. I'm just going to take half. సగమే తీసుకుంటున్నా నువ్వు చూస్తున్నావు అని తెలుసు ఓన్లీ సగం I'll get sleepy so that I don't wake up in middle, use my iPad, do some architecture things. I'll just do some some trucks, bro. It's a really common thing. It's naturally produced in your body, but the thing is when you are in front of a lot of screens, especially while you're streaming, there's a stupid light and one, two, three screens. I lose my melatonin levels due to this, and I don't really feel sleepy, but my body feels tired. My eyes feels tired. It's just I don't really feel sleepy. So this just brings back those melatonin levels so that I can sleep. All right, people. Uh, See you again later, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Yeah, it's needed. Yeah, it felt half tablet. It's enough. Uh, Satyam, drop your Instagram or something so that if I try to make a reel out of this favor, not to get some views, just for my memory. My Instagram is all about memories I wanted to look after like an year or 2 years. It feels nice. So drop your Instagram so that I can make a memory of this. Other than that, thanks for watching. Let's meet again tomorrow or some other time. Bye bye. This time I'm truly stopping the stream.